Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating the easy bottlenecks. Check that the host PC and your headset PC meet CPU, RAM, and GPU requirements so encoding isn't choked. Once done, update the virtual desktop app and GPU drivers because software fixes latency and stutter. Make sure to switch your client to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or plug-in wired Ethernet. This stabilizes bandwidth. These steps remove common causes and let you proceed to fine-tune encoding and frame timing. Next, you dial in the streaming parameters that control frame delivery. Start by setting bitrate to a stable range, 30 to 60 Mbps on Wi-Fi, 80 to 120 Mbps on wired, since too low causes artifacts and too high drops frames. Then choose the hardware encoder like NVENC or AMD for lower CPU load and target 60 FPS to smooth motion. Once that's set, enable adaptive bitrate and reduce the frame queue to 1 or 2 frames to minimize buffering-induced stutter. Finish by removing competing tasks. Disable overlays, game recorders, and background uploads on the host because they steal cycles and bandwidth. Then set both host and client power plans to high performance and enable the app's low latency mode. This reduces frame pacing jitter. If you still see stutter, run a network ping and inspect packet loss or jitter. Fixing loss or switching channels usually cures it. If needed, lower bitrate or FPS temporarily to confirm the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.